Thank you very much, Budlu. Great choice in flowers.
Kaloku abantu bacinga fanuba ndimuntu negative umbutho ndiyawugxeka. But there's positive things like abantu abenza development. So this is me saying hi. We see you. We appreciate you.
South Africa, today is my birthday and I decided I'm gonna spend it in Qoboqobo.
Ndifikile ke dilapha Case Kamahuk eQoboqobo in the Eastern Cape. Apha ke benditshilo ndathi ndizokhangela into yokubana urhulumente weMpuma Koloni uqhuba njani. Kukhona lo sisi ke uye wandi-interest egama lakhe nguSiphokazi Lusithi. Ndihlala ndimbona apha kunantsika ku-social media. She's always on the ground and I think she's doing the work. Now, I'm here today. I'm here to see and speak with her into yokubana wenza ntoni apha ephondweni, benza ntoni beli phondo. Come with me. Ndifikile eWestern Cape, ndifikile eCase Kamahuk. From the airport to here, it's about 2 hours to drive to here. Come with me, masambeni, sibona noSiphoki.
Mind you, ndandimgezele before akandazi nondazi wazi nje lamfana ugezayo ku social media. Guys, andigezi ncam. I'm getting you to do the work of government. That is why I'm always on your case. You have to do the work. This is on the road there. Not too much gravel road. Amahlathi municipality noko niyazama bethunani. Essentially the road wasn't that bad, to be honest, between me and you. Ayike ingoma sizozithini ezi-robots zelapha ephondweni.
Ixesha elininzi ndihlala ndithetha and ke andiye ndithethe kakuhle ngabantu bakarhulumente. For some reason ndithe mandenze umzekelo ngoSiphoki, the MEC of Human Settlements. She is one MEC in this province that is doing the Lord's work. Ndidecidile ke into yokubana ndizamlandela. I'm going to find her. I'm going to profile her. Sijonga uba wenza ntoni kanye apha ephondweni because it looks like she's doing something amazing. And now we're here at Case Kamahuk, at the center of the Eastern Cape. KuseQoboqobo ngesiXhosa. There's going to be handover yale ndlu. Eliqhawazana kuthiwa eli belihlala kweli tyotyombe. Khawusondele ke. Umakhulu is 99, if I'm not mistaken. You're on the ground. This is for you to appreciate your work.
Coaches, thank you.
That decide to travel and ndizobona uSiphoki. We see you.
Hi, boy. It's deep
Literal. Mamela.
Okay. I love the flowers. Good choice. Ndiyabulela. Ndiyabulela kakhulu. SiseQoboqobo namhlanje. Sizonika umama uMsili a house.
Yes.
Umama uMsili, the premier met him when he went to visit a victim of gender-based violence in Estatarem. Her daughter was a victim of gender-based violence, and we got to know of her situation. She was staying in a dilapidated mud house, but we are here to deliver that house here today.
Nice. This is nice. So how many houses do you build in Mhlawumbi?
The budget allows for our target for 25-26, we're targeting 5,700.
Okay, the entire province.
The entire province.
That is nice.
And only restricted by the budget, and then that also includes house rectification and all those things.
We appreciate your work. This is me proving to everyone by say Budlu, say something nice about me, please.
Okay. Thank you very much, Budlu.
You know, between me and you, when I came to the Eastern Cape and I decided ndizakwenza umzekelo nge-MEC okanye nge-premier okanye anyone in government who's doing the work, I wanted to make sure that people see that yes, they are eating the money, they're doing all these wrong things, but when there is a good thing that you guys do in government, you should know that I will give you your flowers like I did with MSC. Banana Spooky Lusithi. Igama lami ke ndingubudlu, ndingunolali wegungqaye. ndilibele undibalisela abandicaphukeli aba basebenza nomi aba babeveze uSpoki emdaka nomposta ku-YouTube yazi uSpoki